Ever felt that twinge of frustration when you're about to pay for something online or even in a store and your preferred payment method just doesn't work? Or maybe you're juggling multiple cards, trying to keep track of fees and rewards, and just wishing there was a simpler way. You're not alone. And that's exactly why you're probably wondering about the GrabPay card. It promises seamless transactions, rewards, and a whole lot of convenience. But the big question is, who exactly can get their hands on one? Let's break it down. The GrabPay card, in its essence, is designed to bridge the gap between your digital GrabPay wallet and the real world. It allows you to use your GrabPay balance for purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted, both online and offline. Think of it as extending the reach of your digital wallet, making it incredibly versatile. Now, to the core of the matter, eligibility. The primary requirement for obtaining a GrabPay card is, unsurprisingly, having a Grab account. This means you'll need to be a registered Grab user, ideally with an active GrabPay wallet. This is the foundation upon which the card operates. However, simply having a Grab account isn't always enough. There are a few more nuances to consider, and these can vary slightly depending on your region. Generally speaking, you'll need to meet the following criteria. Age requirement: you must be of legal age to hold a payment card in your region. This usually aligns with the minimum age for having a bank account, which is typically 18 years old. However, this could differ slightly depending on the local regulations. Verified Grab account: in most cases, a fully verified Grab account is essential. This usually involves completing a Know Your Customer (KYC) process, which verifies your identity. This is a standard procedure for financial services to prevent fraud and ensure security. Active GrabPay wallet: as mentioned earlier, an active GrabPay wallet is crucial. You'll need to have a balance in your GrabPay wallet to utilize the card. The card draws directly from this balance, so having sufficient funds is necessary. Location: the availability of the GrabPay card can vary by region. Grab typically rolls out its services in phases, so check if the card is available in your country or city. Specific requirements: at times, Grab may have specific requirements or promotions that affect eligibility. For instance, they might offer priority access to certain tiers of Grab users or those who have completed certain activities within the Grab app. It's important to remember that these requirements can change. Grab continually updates its services and policies, so it's always best to check the official Grab website or app for the most up-to-date information. The beauty of the GrabPay card lies in its accessibility. It's designed to be inclusive, catering to a wide range of users. Whether you're a frequent Grab user, a digital nomad, or simply someone looking for a convenient payment solution, the GrabPay card could be a valuable addition to your wallet. Imagine the convenience of using your GrabPay balance for everyday purchases, both online and offline. No more transferring funds between accounts or worrying about card compatibility. It streamlines your transactions, making payments faster and more efficient. Plus, you can often earn Grab Rewards points for your spending, further enhancing the value proposition. So, if you're a Grab user looking for a versatile and convenient payment solution, the GrabPay card is definitely worth considering. Just make sure you meet the eligibility criteria and check for any specific requirements in your region. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.